Back to my YouTube channel. So in this JavaScript series, today I'll teach you how do you add strings together, and how basically, which means is string concatenation. How do you add one string to another string? For example, if my name is Abhi and I work as a software developer in London, then that would be my job. So if I want to add the whole statement like name and my job together, then I will have to use string concatenation. For that I'll use plus operator with the double quotes. So I'll teach you how that works, and also I'll teach you what are template literals in JavaScript. So this will be the two things we'll be learning in today's video. So let's go there. So basically I'll start declaring variable here, let name. So I'll write my whole name. So you declare a string like using double quotes. I'll write my name is Abhi, and then I'll declare another variable let, and I want to declare my job. So I'll say my job equals to software. I'm a software developer, so I'll write software developer, and I can write my age as well. So I'll write my age, which is a number, right? So I'll write age as a number. Let's say I'm 23 years old. So I'll write like this, and I can write my height maybe, yeah. So I'll write no weight. So I'll write let weight, and I'll write weight equals like 75 kgs, and that's it. So now I want to add. So you can see there is this is a string, and this is a number, and this is another string. This is weight, which is a number as well. So how do I add all of them together? We know I'll teach you how to add numbers. If you want to add one number to another, you can do 23 plus 75. I already showed you in previous video. But how we add all of them together and make a string out of it? So I'll show you how to do that. So let's say we want to show it using console.log, and I will say console.log, and here I'll start writing with string concatenation like this. So I'll say this is a static message, right? So I'll write my name is, I want to give a space, and then I'll write a plus so that this and this value doesn't stick together. So I'm giving a space here, then I'll say plus. So you write plus to join two strings, right? Plus what is my name? So my name is Abhi. I have stored it inside this variable, so I'll call this variable here. My name is name, which is Abhi. Then I'll write one more plus, and I'll write I work in London as a, and I'm again giving a space here. I'll write plus again, as a software developer. So I will just call that variable here my job, and I'll again say as a software developer, and I am 23 years old. So I want to now put a number here, right? So I'll say plus, and how many years old? 23 years old. So I will write age here. I'll call the age variable here, and I'll say how much I weighed. So I again want to write a statement. So I'll string basically, and I weigh, I'll say 75. So I cannot write directly like, you can write directly like this. I'll call that variable I weight, and then 75, and then here it will take the kg, isn't it? So I'll write like this, and that's pretty much it. Now if we go and console see our inspect element, we'll be able to see what is the value. So if we go, and how do I bring this page? So I click on my index.html file, inspect, you go into console, and you can say my name is Abhi, I work in London as a software developer, and I'm 23, and I weigh 75 kg. So you see what we did string concatenation. We added one string to another. But did you see, like, we had a lot of problem? And now let's say if I want to write this statement and this statement like one after another line, like you did how I wrote this here, then this in this line, then this in this line. How do I do this? So for that, JavaScript after ES15 they had new feature. It's called template literal. So in template literal, what you can do is literally do the same thing, but instead of using double quotes, you will be using backtick quotes. So what are backtick quotes? So you see this one on your keyboard, you will see at the left bottom, you press the backticks, and now inside this you write everything as a string. Once you write this too, you don't need to write double quotes anymore. So you write your statement that my name is, yeah. And now if you want to say basically what you wanted to write, now you have to write a dollar sign, and you have to say the variable, pass the variable. So you say my name is name. Do you see what I did here? Now if we go and see again the, and I refresh it, you see my name is Abhi. You can see it, like it's so easy, isn't it? And if I want to write more value, then everything, basically everything will happen inside this backticks. My name is this, and then if I want to show my age, I can say, and my job here is basically dollar sign again, and inside this curly braces I'll write my job. And you can see write more thing, like again like basically same thing. I'll just write age or dollar and then weight, right? So if you do this, do you see, if I refresh it now, you see I can say my name is Abhi and my job here is software developer 2375. Do you see? And even everything got sorted, the space, everything. It's so easy, it just makes our job really easy. Now you'll say that okay, I want this line in next I want this one in next line. So you can literally write like this, and like this. Now this is really good feature. Now if you will see, if I go here, did you see what it did? It literally put all of them in next line. So you don't even have to worry about writing backslash and to go and write into next line. This will be really helpful. Like see how I did it like this here to show anything onto HTML. You can literally show like this. So this is really helpful. This is called string, this is string concatenation. This is also string concatenation, but using template literal. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and watch all my videos of this JavaScript series to master JavaScript. Thank you for watching the video.